episode of What Have We Here? I'm Anu.
I'm Heta. It's been long since we uploaded the last video on this channel, but hey, here we are back with a new video for you guys.
We came up with the idea for this video when we were actually watching and surfing through TV, and we kind of realized that they were rerunning some shows.
And that's when we were like, hey, you know what? This segment is missing some of the old shows that we grew up with.
So today's episode is about the shows that we would rerun if we were in this situation.
So we've already done a video on a list of our favorite TV shows, and if you have not seen that yet, we'll link it in the eye up here. So how about we take you back to the past, and without any further ado,
Let's dive into the video.
So Indian television is incomplete without its daily dose of Saas Bahu drama. So one of our shows on the list is a Saas Bahu TV show.
Why?
No, hold on, hear me out. So it's not your regular Saas Bahu show where you have a Saas decked up, all studded in glitters and gold, and she's just hell-bent on ruining life of her Bahu who is perpetually crying every single day. But this is more on the fun side.
Of the Saas Bahu drama.
Yes,
Please let me hear it. Which show this is?
this one.
Oh, I see. You're talking about Tutu Bebe.
So I still love how it was all sweet and very sour relationship between a Saas Bahu, but at the same time they didn't want to kill each other.
स्टूपिड कहना तो भूल गई आप, लेकिन ये सारी गलतियां आप मुझे ऑलरेडी दे चुकी हैं। आप क्यों दोहरा रही हैं? तेरी माँ की वजह से, मेरी माँ की वजह से।
And even if they did want to do that, they kind of were very vocal about it.
Yeah, they weren't sitting there and making treacherous plans and being all evil in the background, internal monologues.
Oh god, yeah.
मूंग की दाल दूर दूर तक मशहूर है। मशहूर नहीं, बदनाम कहिए, बदनाम। सासू माँ, वैसे आपको किसी जेल में बावर्ची होना चाहिए था, तब जरूर मशहूर होती है। और किसी बावर्ची होना चाहिए था किसी अस्पताल में। मरीजों के लायक खाना होता है तेरा। वो खाना तो मैं स्पेशली आपके लिए बनाती हूँ। मानसिक मरीज जो हैं आप।
I think there was a similar show on the lines of family drama.
Yeah?
Yeah. It had 5 daughters.
Ah, I know what you're talking about.
ये नंबर 1, ये नंबर 2, ये नंबर 3, ये नंबर 4, ये नंबर 5.
So every time the bell rings, you have to sing a song and
Yes.
then open the door. That's a ritual. Nothing else is expected and nothing else is allowed.
You would just go on singing a song and the person outside could be dying, but you'd still have to sing a song and then open the door.
Yeah. Do you remember that other sister? She's like such a tomboy kind of person.
Kajal?
Yes, Kajal. Oh,
Oh my
god.
God.
She was involved with Underworld.
Hold on.
Why? Oh,
She had this look.
definitely. But she was so courageous to deal with goons.
She was a ghoul.
Yeah, she was a goon.
तेरी लेकिन बंदूक तो कहीं से भी फूट सकते हैं ना। छोटा तोता के आदमियों को तू जानती नहीं है। मालूम है? थोड़े दिन पहले एक बिजनेसमैन को धमकी दिया था। बिजनेसमैन ने 4 बॉडीगार्ड रखा, लेकिन उसके बाद उसके आदमियों ने छत पे चढ़कर उसको गोलियां मार दी। कि बॉडीगार्ड ने कुछ नहीं किया? अरे ना, बॉडीगार्ड करते हैं, खोपड़ी थोड़ी ना गार्ड कर सकते।
Do you remember this show practically involved a ghost of his dead wife, of his first dead?
Oh.
क्या कर रही है? नहीं।
अरे देखो गए सामने कौन पे इसका आशिक तो नहीं? मालूम है ये इश्क की बातें ऐसी होती है। वहाँ से पूछेगा तुमसे प्यार है, ये बोलेगी हाँ। पूछेगा मुझे भूलोगी तो नहीं? तो ये यहाँ से बोलेगी ना ना।
Oh my god,
Let
she was
that
a
sink
ghost, wasn't she?
Yes, I mean even before Harry Potter made it famous for moving
Talking paintings?
paintings and moving
Yeah.
pictures, they had it.
And wasn't Jayashree like the first feminist in the TV
Yes,
show?
yes, she was the elder daughter, right?
दिन दहाड़े औरतों को शिकार बनाया जा रहा है, और आपकी पुलिस करती क्या है? What do?
देखिए
Though I don't think her name was Jayashree. What was her name?
Oh right, she was in Jayashree in that show, was she?
Oh no! That brings us to the next show.
Which is
Khichdi, y'all.
I think Indian television would not have been complete without a show like Khichdi, where each character is dynamic in their own way. So Jayashree was gossip queen #1 on television back then, and her gossip also saw an evolution from telephone to actually using a Bluetooth.
Yeah.
Speaking of Jayashree, she used to make terrible things, especially when it came to
Feeding
chai.
Babuji and chai.
Yeah.
She wanted to almost kill Babuji for some reason.
The bizarre thing she used to put in the chai.
जयश्री इस पराठे से बदबू आ रही है।
पता है इसीलिए तो भिखारी लौटा के गया आधा खा के
Yeah. And actually, I think Babuji had all of that and lived through everything. So kudos to him.
I wonder how he did not die from hypertension.
How he did not die from stroke. Do you remember how he used to yell?
अरे थोड़ा जहर दे दे मुझे, प्रफुल्ल से तंग आ गया हूँ। दे दे जहर।
फिर मेनू मतलब सुबह बड़ा समोसा दे दो अब बोलो जहर दे दो मेरे तय कर लो बाबा
अरे मैं रेल की पटरी पर लेके जा रहा हूँ अपनी जान देने। माँ या तो इस घर में मैं रहूंगा या फिर वो नौकरानी।
अरे सुन अब तो तुलसी भी जा रहा है अब तो वापस आ जा
He used to yell a lot. I used to fear for his life.
Yeah.
But then again, I think if you have a son like Praful, you kind of get used to everything.
Everything. Because Praful used to be like always, he used to be such a good son.
फूल, तू तो गधा है गधा। मैंने तुझे क्या कहा था? नहीं, हंसा लापता। तो उसके प्रचार के लिए हंसा के बड़े-बड़े पोस्टर्स छपवा के ले आना। हाँ तो क्या वो मुझे तो क्या? अबे इस पोस्टर पे लापता ऐसा क्यों नहीं छपवाया? वही मंसू लेकर आ रहा है अलग से। बड़ी बहन के पोस्टर पर लगा दीजिए लापता।
Right? He used to always do what he has been asked for.
And he had his own logic behind it.
I think watching this entire show was like fun guarantee.
Oh no.
गारंटी मतलब
गारंटी अरे वो हमारी डिसोजा का देवर अपनी पड़ोस वाली आंटी को छेड़ रहा था तो मिसेस डिसोजा ने डांटते हुए देवर को क्या कहा था?
हाँ उसने कहा था ए क्या करते हैं गारंटी को छेड़ते हैं पराई आंटी को छेड़ते हैं गारंटी को नहीं छेड़ गारंटी गारंटी
So yeah, Khichdi was like power packed with laughter dose.
Meenakshi.
There was no Meenakshi in Khichdi.
No. Jayashree was Meenakshi in Hampach and Meenakshi was Jayashree in Khichdi. If that makes sense.
So she wasn't called Jayashree.
And we said Jayashree throughout. Meenakshi.
Meenakshi, yeah. Meenakshi. The Khichdi show is not complete without those two children who always ended up saying Bade log, bade log. Please don't say bade log. Bade log sounds just so middle class. Say elite. So the next show that we actually enjoyed watching was Sarabhai vs. Sarabhai. I absolutely adored Maya's character. She was like so uptight and everything and so affluent in English and she was so smart.
But if you think you're the smart person in the room, there is always a person who's sarcastic. For Indravardhan, we just cannot do justice with words. So here's a clip of Indravardhan being Indravardhan.
मोमा इंटरस्टेट स्क्रैबल में फर्स्ट आई है कांग्रेचुलेशंस माया और सेकंड किसका बच्चा आया
Don't you think Sahil was a bit more like Indravardhan, like always upfront and clear and sarcastic at times?
He had a filter. Speaking of their sons
Roshesh was one of them.
and his poetries, I think his poetries were a character themselves.
पोपट काका की आत्मा का पोपट उड़ गया उड़ गया रे सृष्टि के सर्जन हाथ से पोपट जुड़ गया रे
But we would like to give a special mention to one of the supporting characters, and I think it's Mr. Madhusudan Fufa.
है?
Madhusudan Fufa.
है?
दिनेश अंकल को हैं? आप दिनेश अंकल को जानते हैं? हैं? यार क्यों नहीं रहा? वो मधु भाई शतरंज खेल रहा है ना, अगली चाल क्या होनी चाहिए वो सोच रहा है ना, हैं? शतरंज की अगली चाल, हैं?
You wanted to ball.
Oh my god, I cannot get that scene out. I remember Musaddi Lal being stuck in such situations when he was trying to convey his issues to somebody and they would just not listen to him.
Even with perfectly functional ears. But then again, didn't he have like a lot of government issues?
He would go to the government offices more frequently than the government employees that they showed in the show did. And like that's saying a lot. How very conveniently they showed the work-life balance on the show for those employees. They were allowed to cut vegetables. They were allowed to cut vegetables. They were allowed to cut vegetables when they were working.
I think Musadilal did more work than any of those people in that show.
Musadilal should get his own attendance card. Yeah, that was office.
Poor Musadilal was more on toes than any ballerina could be.
Thanks to some of the reality shows that we know what a ballerina is.
There are so many reality shows. Which one are you talking about?
The dance reality show. The very first dance reality show.
No.
I'll show you. This.
Boogie Woogie. Yes, I remember that show. That was pure talent.
There was less publicity drama. There was less any kind of drama on the show. And I remember the judges were also so cool, right? You remember there was Naveen Jaffrey and there was Javed Jaffrey.
Yeah. They were good critics. And they always seeked out good talent. So that's what makes the show one of the best reality shows ever.
Do you remember Javed Jaffrey?
I remember him from something else. But he was not in the show.
But he was the show.
And if you haven't guessed it already, here's the clip.
किसी की नहीं अखबार, किसी को जूतों का हार, और क्या फर्क पड़ता है यार? ये गिरकर खुश, आप देखकर खुश, और मैं जावेद जाफरी आपका सूत्रधार बोलकर खुश.
Do you remember such terrorizing games the show had?
They were deadly.
I remember people getting hit by stuff and people falling into mud.
Do you think they have a high mortality rate?
Why?
I don't think people could survive that.
But
You
they
think?
still did, right?
Not too sure.
Did anyone ever win that show? Did anyone win that show?
We need to find that out.
Yeah, we need to find that out.
Do they still have the show on? Is it still running?
Hey, what did I just see?
No. This show is prehistoric.
Yeah, damn it. It's 1986. I wasn't even born. my whole childhood was a lie.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Speaking of game shows, do you remember this other game show that we used to watch?
Which one? I have seen a lot of game shows and I've played a lot of games, so they all bleed into one.
I mean is, you remember it used to have this face kind of thing, and there were like a group of children who were sent into a maze, and you could see the maze from this side, and you know there were these people who used to attack those children.
What face?
Wait, we had that face.
What?
Yes.
Where are you going? We are in the middle of recording video.
Then I'm back. Ta-da!
Hello? No.
Legends of the Hidden Temple.
This is fun.
This was fun, right? Actually, wasn't this the show that helped us to play so many games when we were children? To play this treasure hunt,
I think this inspired that treasure hunt.
right?
Man, I miss the show.
Legends of the Hidden Temple was one of a really smart shows that they made.
It was exciting, Jim.
Mm-hmm.
Those were some colorful days.
Actually, you know what that reminds me of? I'll show you something else colorful. Watch this.
Oh my god, Mad!
Yes, Mad. I think Mad was one of those shows that introduced us a lot of DIY and creativity stuff.
I think he's the first DIYer.
Raw. Period.
He was
There
the
are no
first.
arguments mentioned.
He made art and craft really easy. I think we owe our creativity to Rob.
Definitely Rob. Yeah. Speaking of Rob, I still remember how cool he used to be. He used to be such a colorful and such a yo person in life. He used to wear that bandana and wear like awesome bright colored t-shirts, and the way he used to entirely take through the show.
Yeah, I remember he used to have this very funky looking beard and braids in his hair, and I think he kind of rocked it.
The best part about the show was the big picture in the end. You remember the things he used to make that big picture?
It was surprising to see how something like as random as sticky notes could end up becoming someone's face.
So I think before YouTube, there was Mad.
There was Rob. Hey, aren't science experiments also kind of like DIY?
That is my cue to leave.
Hey, no, come back. I'm just talking about TV show.
What TV show? And what science? Why would you discuss science and TV shows?
Because that TV show made science fun. Here, I'll show you.
Oh, Backyard Science. Oh, it was a cool show. Didn't they make like rocket and stuff?
They did. They did a lot more than that, and I'm sure as hell they made science fun. Way more than our teachers.
Way more than our teachers ever did.
So yeah, science was fun because of backyard science.
I also remember they had this really psychedelic kind of.
Background.
Yeah, these shows like really fun to watch.
They were, and I miss them a lot.
Yeah, I do too.
Hey, I think I wanna watch these shows.
Let's watch TV.
Yeah.
So if you guys enjoyed watching our video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Back then, a lot of TV shows were way more interesting. And in case your TV show did not make the list, make sure you put them in the comments and let us know what TV show you enjoyed watching. Until then, bye!